Almost ate it. See, the problem with that is I try to keep my hat on midair. Because last time I did it, it fell off. I'm like, I'm gonna keep my hat on. But I opened up too early. Hold on, I just got this. That's it.